Hey everyone, and welcome back to another craft video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable felt crab. I've got a similar tutorial for a felt fish on my channel, so do check it out. Let's make a start. I'm going to show you everything I used for this project on my screen right now, and I will mention that off camera I created my stencil and I cut out all the shapes I needed from my stencil. So the outline, the eyes, and the little blush cheeks. Here are my shapes. I'll separate them out so you can see everything that I've cut. One is the back and one is the front. Let's make a start with the front, and I'm going to start sewing in my eyes using a white thread. I'm going to go all the way around to make sure this piece of felt is nice and secure. And then after I'm done with that, I'm going to sew on the black dot of the eye as well, using a black thread. I'm done with the white part. Let's add on our black part. And you're going to repeat that step with the other eye. So here comes my second eye. Next, with a black thread, I'm gonna sew on my cute little smile, and you could see it already coming together. It's looking adorable. That's the smile nearly done. Next, we're going to add on the blush. You can skip this step, but I thought it looked adorable. I've got my pink thread and I'm gonna sew that on. Next, with my glue, I'm going to add on my seed beads that I picked. I'm going to add 3 beads on each leg, but of course, if you have another pattern in mind, you can do that as well. Go ahead and add the beads on each leg. I'm going to go off camera and complete the rest of the legs and come back. I also fancied adding 4 seed beads on each side of the claws. I thought that would look great as well, so I'm going to go ahead and add them here. I'm quite happy with how it's looking, so let's go ahead and stitch the 2 sides together. Make sure they line up together well, otherwise you're going to have a wonky crab. And then with my thread and needle, I'm just going to go over the edges. We're going to start with the crab's legs and just do a stitching on the edge of those. When the legs are done, all we're going to do is get some stuffing and add it to the bottom part of the crab. And then let's continue sewing around the edges. Let's get some more stuffing at this point and stuff the crab slightly more into the claws. I'm using my scissors, but you can use a pencil to get right in there. Continue stitching along the edge and on the sides until you reach where you started. For the last stitch, you're just going to go through the middle like so, pull the needle through and then cut it. Here is our crab, and look how adorable it looks. I'm so happy with this project. And don't forget, I've got a matching fish tutorial if you want to do a sea themed set of felt creatures. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please leave a comment, like this video and subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you more of these exciting crafts. If you have any ideas or suggestions on what felt crafts to do next, please leave that in the comments and I'll take a look and see what I could do. I will catch you next time. See ya!